This video, we're going to talk about initial value problems, very similar to what we were talking about last time with establishing, verifying that that we have a general solution to a differential equation, but we're going to actually try and find a particular solution here that meets the condition of the initial value that's given to us. So we have y equals 1 over 1 plus c1 e to the negative x is a solution of the given differential equation y prime equals y minus y squared. So we want to now give you the initial condition that y of 0 needs to be equal to negative 1/3 and find the specific c1 that makes this true. So negative 1/3 is going to be equal to 1 over 1 plus c1 e to the negative 0 is 0. So that equals 1 over 1 plus c1 times 1 is c1. So when I cross multiply here, negative 1 plus c1 is equal to 3. 1 plus c1 is equal to negative 3. c1 is equal to negative 4. So then I can come back here and say my y needs to be equal to 1 over 1 minus 4 e to the negative x. So I'm not going to do a lot of these. These are very similar to things that you probably already did in Calculus 1 and Calculus 2 when you were when you were integrating and you found a generic constant of integration and you were given some initial conditions and you were told to solve for those generic constants along the way to find a particular solution. Same thing here. We just call this an initial value problem, as opposed to another type of problem that you're going to do here, possibly in differential equations. It's going to be called a boundary value problem. But we are working right here in this section with initial value problems. So there's just one example. They're all very similar. So I'll just let you go ahead and work through those with that one example there. And let me know if you have any additional questions on that, but we'll be moving on to separable differential equations next. See you for the next video.